Welcome to Crash Course channel. We'll talk about common mistake in English language. When you write English, sometimes you didn't focus enough. Let's start. I will give you very good tips. I gather around 50 mistakes in English language, and when you answer any test or any exam like IELTS, whatever, be careful of this kind of tricks. Let's start together. You can see that I put the red the wrong sentence and the green is the right sentence. Okay, common grammar mistakes in English. It's wrong to say I have visited Niagara Falls last weekend. Some people say yes, it's correct. Have plus the past participle of the verb visit, visited. Yes, have visited, but if you say I have visited Niagara Falls last week, you have to say I visited Niagara Falls last week because it's end already. This action end. Okay, this is very common mistake. I will increase, I will zoom in to see better. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, the woman which works here is from Japan. No, wrong. The woman who works here from Japan. She is Japanese. The wrong sentence. She is married with a dentist. The right sentence is she is married to a dentist. She was boring in class. Wrong. The correct is she was bored in the class. Another sentence. I must to call him immediately. I must to call him immediately. No, I must call him immediately. No to. Between must and the verb no to. Okay? Wrong. Every student like the teacher. Wrong. Every student likes. Every student likes the teacher. This is singular. Not every student. You have to say just one student. Every student likes the teacher. Okay? The next sentence. Although it was raining, but we had the picnic. Although it was raining, but we had the picnic. The right thing is, although it was raining, we had the picnic. Don't say but. No, we don't use but. Although it was raining, we had the picnic. Not but. Remove the but. Okay? The next sentence. I enjoyed from the movie. No, I enjoyed the movie. Direct. There is no from. The wrong. I look forward to meet you. No, the right thing. I look forward to meeting you. Verb plus ing. Look forward, verb plus ing. The next sentence. I like very much ice cream. I like very much ice cream. Wrong. I like ice cream very much. The add at the end. Very much. Okay? She can to drive. No, the right thing. She can drive. No to. Another wrong sentence. Where can I find the bank? Where I can find the bank. Not I before can. In the question, where can I find the bank? You put can before I. I live in the United States. I live in United States. No, wrong. I live in the United States. You have to put the. When I will arrive, I will call you. No, not when I will arrive. When I arrive, I will call you. Some person would say, oh, there is well here. I have to put well here in the future. No. When I arrive, I will call you. I have been here since 3 months. I have been here since 3 months. Wrong. Since, no. Not about a specific amount period, no. We use for. That's why the right thing, I have been here for 3 months. For. If you have the full period, okay, the months or year or days. My boyfriend has got new work. My boyfriend had got new job. Don't use new work, new job. She doesn't listen to me. She doesn't listen me. No, you have to say the right thing. She doesn't listen to me. You have to put to after listen. The next wrong one. You speak English good? No, you speak English well, not good. The police is coming. The police is coming. The police are coming. This is very important. The police are coming. The police plural, not singular. I know in Arabic we use it singular. Police are coming. The house isn't enough big. No, the house isn't big enough. Big enough. Enough at the end. Okay. You shouldn't to smoke. No, you shouldn't smoke. Remove to. The next sentence. Do you like a glass of wine? No. Would you like? Would you like a glass of wine? Not do. Would. Okay. When you offer something. There is 7 girls in the class. No, there is 7 means plural, not is. You say there are 7 girls in the class. The next sentence. I didn't meet nobody. No, I didn't meet anybody. I didn't meet anybody. No, nobody. Anybody. The next. My flight departs in 5 a.m. My flight departs at 5 a.m. Not in. At. My flight departs at 5 a.m. The wrong. I will promise I will call you next week. This is wrong. I promise I will call you next week. I will call you, not I call you next week. I will call you next week. The next one. Where is the post office? Where is the post office? Where is the post office? No. Where is the post office? The next one. Please explain me how to improve my English. Please explain to me how to improve my English. The wrong. The second one. The next one. We studied during 4 hours. We studied for 4 hours. The wrong sentence. Is ready my passport? No. Is my passport ready? The correct sentence. The wrong one. You cannot buy all what you like. You cannot buy all that you like, not what you like. She is success. No, she is successful. My mother wants that I be a doctor. No, my mother wants me to be a doctor. The life is hard. No, remove that. Life is hard. How many children you have? Children's? How many children do you have? Not S with children. Children itself is plural. My brother has 10 years. My brother is 10 years old. The wrong sentence. I want to eat now. I want to eat. I want to eat now. No, I want to eat now. Next sentence. You are very nice as your brother. You are very nice like your brother. Like your brother. She said me that she liked you. No, she told me that she liked you. My husband engineer. My husband is an engineer. I came Australia to study English. No, I came to Australia to study English. The next wrong. It's more hot now. It's hotter now. Okay. The wrong one. You can give me an information. No. Can you give me some information? The next. They cooked the dinner themselves. No. They cooked the dinner themselves. They cooked the dinner themselves. No. They cook the dinner themselves. Me and Johnny live here. No, Johnny and I live here. Not me and Johnny live here. I close very quietly the door. The right thing, I close the door very quietly. After the door, you put very quietly. You like dance with me? No. Would you like to dance with me? I go always to school by subway. No, I always go to school by subway. Always before the verb. If I will be in London, I will contact you. If I am in London, I will contact you. Not I will be. If I am in London, I will contact you. We drive usually to whom? No. Before whom, don't put to. We usually drive home. This is the end. I hope you get some benefits and join my family, my channel, to learn more. I have 6 more channels. You will find it in the description. If you have any question, please contact me. I'll put your comment. We'll give you a lot of languages, a lot of French. We'll start French series soon, and all the mistakes, and in English and French. Also IELTS test, you will find series of IELTS, and we'll continue. Thank you for listening and have a great day. See you soon.
Do not forget to subscribe.